This is an unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch 2 Mario Kart World Edition. Let's start with opening it up. I mean, that's the whole idea of an unboxing video, I guess, right? That we unbox it. So there's a box in the box. Alright. And when we open it up, we see the Nintendo Switch 2 with the Joy-Cons. They're packed separately. The right one. The left one. And this is the screen. It says Nintendo Switch 2 at the back. And with the little stand. We can collect these on here. There you go. Full switch. And then we grab this part off, and in here we have Mario Kart World code. Can't show you the code because it's mine. A letter on how to redeem the code. A little manual on how to use the Nintendo Switch 2. HDMI to HDMI cable. 2 straps for the Joy-Cons. A blue and a red one. Or yeah, it's red, but it's like, it's a little bit orangey. More orange than the one for the Nintendo Switch was. Then we have a power supply. I'm from the European Union. I'm from the Netherlands. So we have a European power plug. But if you're from a different country, from the UK or from America, you will have a different plug. And then a USB-C to USB-C cable. That one goes in the power plug. This is the handle for the Joy-Cons. If you want to play them with the TV mode, you can plop them in here and you can use them as a controller. And the next thing that's in here is the dock. And this dock actually has hardware in it instead of the one for the Switch 1 that didn't have hardware in it. And then the back here, we can open this up. And we see an entry point for the USB-C, which is the one for the power adapter. The HDMI, which goes to your TV. And there's also a LAN cable entrance to connect your internet. The Nintendo Switch one, not the OLED one, but the Nintendo Switch one didn't have one. The 4D1 for the OLED did have one. So it's nice that they have added that to the Nintendo Switch 2. There's also a little ventilator in here, a little fan. And 2 USB ports to connect your controller to it. To load your controller or to just connect it and play with it while it's loading. And that's everything that's in the box. Yeah, box is empty. So Nintendo Switch with some accessories. But yeah, Nintendo Switch 2 is definitely the thing you wanted to get out of this box, obviously. So that's it.